Hello, I wanted to give you an update of my project of how it's coming along. The first things that I wanted to talk about is about some of the stuff that I had a hard time trying to fix. The first one is on my second slide. I have an Animaker video, and when I click on the project, some of it stops. It doesn't run smoothly. The second thing that I want to show you that I also had a hard time trying to figure out how to adjust and make it right is, as you could see here, I have three stages of the life cycle of the frog. And what I wanted to do is to uh, be talking and having each step appear as I'm talking. So that way I don't overwhelm the students with so many text. And let me show you what I mean by. As you could see here, as I'm talking, every step appears of the life cycle, but when I preview it as a project, it doesn't do that. I did try several things and nothing seemed to work. Any advice will be greatly appreciated. And the same thing happened to the following slides that have the same, it has more than two steps of the life cycle. I think that's pretty much it of what I tried to figure out, and I didn't successfully make it right. So now let me show you the whole project itself. It has 24 slides to it, and at the middle of each life cycle, it will give them a short assessment. It has short answers and some games. So let me show you the project. So as you could see, it stops here. I did try to delete the video, and I re-uploaded again, and it still does the same thing. I also tried taking off these buttons on the bottom to see if that will work, and it's still the same problem was reappearing. But if I click on the play button, it will continue. Okay, so now let me take you to the next slide. Here I also had text when I was describing each cycle, and again the same thing happened. It was not appearing as I'm stating each cycle. So I don't know what advice you could give me so I could go back and adjust it. As you could see, the other cycles don't appear. The same thing for that one. On this one is a real, the students need to drag to the right place of the life cycle. So they just drag, and this will be counted as their grade, final grade. And then here I have this vocabulary words. It's a review because on the next slide they will be playing hangman. So some of these words are gonna be on that hangman. So they click on it and it gives them the definition of what it is. And here's the hangman game. So let me just show you real quick what it looks like. So here it is. It has 3 questions and they have 20 seconds. This can be adjusted as you want it to for your audience. So there you go. So as I said, it has 3 questions. So let me continue. Here it has a multiple choice. It has two choices only. I only gave them two choices in order for the students to be more successful in passing this course. So frog moms lay many eggs. They submit, and here it says correct. If they get it wrong, it will show it's an incorrect answer. Let me show you what I mean by. As you can see, it says incorrect. So again, it's another multiple choice question, and I have another one. Okay. So I think this is the last question. Okay, so here I have on this one I have a short video, and I will not take you to it right now because it's a long video, but the video is from YouTube and it also has the life cycle of a butterfly. It's a real cute video for first graders to watch. So as I mentioned on the other slides, I have to rearrange the order of the life cycle of the butterfly. So first, number one, it's the egg. Number two is the caterpillar. Three, the cocoon, and four, the butterflies. They submit, and again, this is going to be part of their grade. And the last one that I have, it's a memory game. So this is how they play. And also the time can be adjusted as you wish. And that's it. Any feedback will be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.